Ladies and gentlemen, it's Reeves and Mortimer.
I got a new Hoover. What do you think of it? I've got a new Hoover. I'm over the moon with it. It's got what can only be described as a headlamp on the front, adjustable height and a low maintenance filter. I sold him that Hoover. It's a pile of shit. I sold him that Hoover. What's left of it? It couldn't suck off a fly from your carpet if it tried. And the low maintenance filter I lied. So it's useless, is it?
Yep.
Well, can I have me 300 quid back?
No, I've spent it, mate.
What on?
A new Hoover, of course.
Do you still love me? Yes, I suppose so. Are you still angry? Well, just a little. Well, you should thank your lucky stars that I didn't make you pay a delivery charge.